Welcome back to WordPress Down Manager Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to use WPDM dropzone so users can upload and manage files from the front end. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to create a dedicated page for the dropzone upload interface. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Pages and click on Add New. Give your page an appropriate name. Now, in the content area, paste this shortcode. Once that's done, click Publish. Great, our dropzone page is now ready. Step 2. Next, we need to connect this page to the dropzone settings. Go to Downloads, click on Settings and open the General tab. Scroll down or search for dropzone settings. From the dropzone page dropdown, select the page we just created. Now choose which user roles can access the dropzone. For example, you can allow user roles as per your requirements. If you want users to share files with each other, enable the user-to-user file sharing option. Once everything looks good, click Save Settings. Step 3. Now let's see how users interact with dropzone. Users can access the dropzone page directly or from their user dashboard. Let's see how dropzone looks. Both page view and dashboard view are the same. From here, they can upload files. After uploading, users can edit file details like title and description, and after editing, notify the admin, share the file with other users, add comments to the file, delete the file if needed. This makes it very flexible for collaboration and file management. Step 4. Now let's look at the admin side. Go to Downloads, then click on Dropzone. Here, admins can see all files uploaded by users. You'll find details like file name, sender, date, and status. Admins can take actions such as viewing files and download or add comments or notes, monitoring file status. This central dashboard makes it easy to manage all user submissions in one place. Step 5. Another powerful feature is the file request option. Admins can easily collect files from users by generating a unique upload link. To create a file request, first click on the Create Request button. Then provide a title, description, and timeline. Click on Save Changes. Once the request is created, you'll see both Copy Link and Share Link options. The Copy Link option allows admins to share the request publicly, making it accessible for anyone to upload files. This is ideal when you want to collect files from a broad audience. If you want to collect files from specific users, the Share Link option is more suitable. It allows admins to send the request directly to selected email addresses. This feature is especially useful for gathering documents, assignments, or client submissions in a simple and organized way. And that's it. You've successfully set up WPDM dropzone and learned how both users and admins can manage files. Thanks for watching.